Crude oil and natural gas both stayed bullish. We have seen a very impressive recovery in crude oil. I have mentioned very clearly that with the inventory data, we may see a reversal, and it has again come back to the next resistance zone and the strongest one, that is 71.8, 72 levels. Likewise, natural gas beautifully has shown a very strong move here, and it has now hit 2.9 levels. Yes, we also have the inventory data for natural gas today, and how to profit now today with trading oil and gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis on multiple time frames. We arrive at a levels where you can take a profitable trade with proper reasoning. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Let's start. First oil followed with gas. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts after the crossover here, we have seen bullishness here in oil, and if you notice this, it is trading in this bullish channel, higher highs, higher lows. Once it stays above 72, I will look forward to 72.4 and 73 levels as the next target. Now 73 is going to be one prime resistance for today. First, it needs to break. In fact, even if you see it is staying above 71.8, that is a lower price above 71.8, you can initiate a buying entry here. Stochastic is slightly overbought here, while the MACD and RSI both are showing a bit of rise, and it has still room on the upside. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, the moving averages have crossed over. These are looking upwards, and this is a good sign for them. And now, even if it tries to move downwards, the support levels at 71 and 70.6 are going to remain very, very strong. Now, notice the point that it is delivering higher lows, so now we can expect it to move towards higher highs, which means 73 can be expected very soon. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over again for the buys. RSI is comfortable here. Yesterday we have discussed this in our update that see it still has room on the upside. Look, this crossover has come at lower levels, and if it crosses over, we can look forward to another good bull run. RSI near to top. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour chart. See, a strong consolidation was seen here. After consolidating, we have seen this rising, and even with the rise, look at the formation: rise, retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. So today, even if you see it is staying above 71.8, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 72 and 72.4, and then I will look forward to 73 levels as the next target. Any point of time, oil trading above 74 is a good indication that it is a complete reversal. Stochastic rising back to overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising, good signs, supportive of bulls. On the 4 hour charts, if you now observation on the 4 hour charts is more or less same: rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. Now, for any bearishness today, it is very important for oil to trade below 70.4, 70.6 zone. Now, see the bullishness here, it is closed at the top, and this is definitely a good resistance zone. Now, it is very important for oil to break beyond 71.8, 72 zone, which is going to remain a greater resistance, breaking beyond which you can say now bulls are back in action. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign, supportive of bulls here. Coming to daily charts. Now, on the daily charts, I have shared one observation in my daily updates, in my weekly updates as well. See, rise, retracement, bigger the rise, bigger retracement, higher lows, higher highs, and now if it aspires to move towards the top, we can again look forward to 78 levels. Now see, the two candles, yesterday and day before yesterday and previous to that, we have seen oil signaling that it is willing to reverse. However, this is the zone which is playing a critical role. So today, because see, it is closed at the top, lower highs are seen. Once it breaks out the highs here, we can expect another round of good bull run, taking it till towards 73, 73.6, or in fact 74 levels. Also remember, another observation here is the gap left here in between 74.5 and 75 levels. So at least it will try to fill this, and once it breaks 76, sky is the limit this time. I will show you something. Now look at the formation here. See, after this bearish move, it has just come out. It is trading in this retracement channel, breaking past. This is where sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD trying to converge RSI flat. So before I give you the levels here, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And those who are looking forward to a broker which can offer you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Do join it today and enjoy your trading experience. Now, considering this, first thing is you can buy here. In fact, when you see the lower price above 71.8, however, 72.1 is the first target, 72.4, 72.5 is the next. Once these two are taken, stay bullish for 73, and once 73 is taken, very soon we are aiming at 74.5, 75. If not today, then tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then next week. Yes, 74.5, 75 gap might be filled, and once it breaches 76, this should be treated as a possibility of a breakout still exists here. So on the downside, now this is only purely a view on the upside. But what happens if oil starts to crash? Looking at this, I will recommend you to now sell at 71.2 levels, expect 71, 70.6, 70.3, and 70. Only and only if it trades below 70.6 and 70.3 zone, you can say that the bears are back and we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 69.6 or 68.5. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. Nat gas stayed bullish, taking the support from the 20 period. We have seen it rising, and see this observation, this phenomena we have seen several times in net gas for now, delivering higher lows and higher highs. Now it has come towards a zone which is going to remain a prime resistance 2.9, 2.93 levels here. And we can see a bit of consolidation here. It can wait for the 20 period to climb up. Till then, it can stay in zone, or in fact, it can retrace. Now 2.85 levels, 2.8 levels are not taken as long as we should not be treating night gas as bearish. Yes, it can give you another breakout candle with the storage data today. Moving averages crossing over here again is a good bullish sign. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover. It is not that it cannot hit further highs. Yes, it has a room for further upside here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Look at the 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Notice this. This is the trend in which it was trading. Now this is a reversal, and it is possible that once it stays beyond 3.0 to 3.05 zone, we can look forward to 3.2 levels here. But what is happening on the 2 hour chart? See, the crossover here is good and important. It is a bullish cross after a long time. And see, if you look at the formation, this is how it has been trading, and there is a possibility that this time again it can move towards the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2.85. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here, and on the 3 hour, the observation is similar. Moving average is crossing over here. Very good sign. Very good support is formed at 2.8. And as long as now 2.8 is not taken, we have to be careful here with the selling entries. Yes, as long as 2.8 is not taken, we can expect a stronger rise, because see, this is breaking out of this channel, and hence we can expect higher highs here. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD and RSI up, RSI overbought, while MACD is still having room on the upside. Likewise on the 4 hour charts also, the observation is more or less same. What happens after a rise is just consolidate with a stronger base, and now a stronger rise it is trying to consolidate here. Now see, first of all, a greater resistance is seen at 2.9 to 2.9. Let it break beyond this, and then we can expect 2.96, 3.0 to 3.05 levels, which are going to remain greater resistance. Now on the 4 hour charts also, the crossover in the moving averages are observed here, and if you notice, see a stronger run, then the retracement, and now it is willing to give a breakout. It is already, see, this is a nice flag formation, and it is breaking out of this, which is again a good sign here. So let's see if it breaks out beyond 3.0 to 0.5. Stochastic overbought here, MACD rising, looking upwards, RSI overbought as well. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily chart, this is what I am saying: rise, retracement, nice flag it has formed, and it is now breaking this flag. So now it is important for it to stay above 3.0 to 0.5, which will confirm a move above 3.2 this, where in fact we can expect 3.5 levels very soon. But I will say it is getting into slightly overbought zone. But yes, once things get overbought, it always tries to stay in this for a while, specifically with net gas. Whenever it takes a trend for a near good term. See, double top levels at 3.2. This is critical. Stochastic overbought. Look at MACD. After retracing here, now it is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can lead to another highs, and even if it aspires to achieve the highs, possibly we may see it breaking 3.2 again. RSI rising here. So looking at this, I will recommend you to now buy at 2.93 levels, expected to keep moving towards 2.96, 3.02. Next target 3.05 third, and then we can wait for 3.1 and 3.18, 3.2 levels very soon. It is possible that it can deliver this today as well. However, I will say right now it appears to be at a greater resistance and the bulls are a bit exhausted after a stronger run. Now on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry 2.88, but then you have to be careful at 2.8486 zone, which is going to remain a prime support zone. Only and only if it breaks this zone at 2.848, we can say we can see slight bearishness and then the prices can move towards 2.8, which is going to remain a stronger support for the day. So as long as it stays about 2.8 for the day, for the week, do not treat net gas as bearish. We can see it bouncing back up again. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not press to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.